Hello everybody. So I am on my way to the P.O. box to go and get to go see if we have any mail. I don't know if we do, but we're just gonna go check. We figure we'll go check about twice a week, but this is my first time ever going, so yay, I'm excited. I just put up my very first makeup haul from Unique, so I hope you guys check it out. Anybody that's interested in makeup, at least. It's a first for me, so don't bear with me. It's new to me. It's all new to me, so I'm sure my hauls will get better after a while. But yeah, we're getting ready. We're gonna be going to see Maddie tonight at the tree lighting ceremony for Jackson Park, and then we are going to go see the holiday train come through Milwaukee. Well, we're not going to the Milwaukee one. We're going to the Wauwatosa one, which is like a suburb of Milwaukee. So, yeah. So we're gonna go see that tonight too. And we are gonna take you along with us. I'm here at the post office. And here I go to the P.O. box. Let's see if we have anything in there. Oh, we have one thing in there. Right, that's it. One thing. I'm not gonna open it yet. Here's our first piece of mail in our P.O. box. Yay! So I will open it when I get home. All right, we got our first piece of mail covering up the address. Messy. So I'm gonna open it, and it looks like it's from a Wesley McVeigh. So let's open the card. It says, joy, love, peace, believe, Christmas. Happy holidays. Wishing you peace, love, and joy this holiday season. Wesley McVeigh. Thank you so very much for sending us this piece of mail, this card. It's awesome. Thank you for watching. All right, so we are on our way to go see Maddie perform at the park for the Christmas tree lighting. We just have to find her. Apparently they're going to be marching around the whole park, so we'll see. Who knows? But that's where we're heading to right now, is the park. And after that, then we are going to go to the train and watch the holiday train come through. And then the kids will be going with their dad for the night. Kid free, yay, yay, yay. So we are here at the tree lighting, but we have to cross the street yet. Oh, I see Santa. There's Santa over there.
Better hurry up, man. We got 30 seconds.
It's not even that long of a walk. You gotta find Maddie. Here's the tree that they're gonna be lighting. Maddie right there. Where's Santa?
He's straight across from us. I
Oh,
see
there's Santa.
You want pictures? You want another one? Mom?
No, hold this for a minute. There's Santa, ho ho ho. I know, look at this boy didn't even wear a freaking jacket out here. It's not even funny. And Junior's wearing sandals.
Socks with sandals. Socks with sandals. What a weird combination.
Look at, I actually got gloves on, believe it or not. Believe it or not, I have gloves on because I'm cold. See this? Picture Santa.
Oh, donor.
Where's Santa? Is he coming?
On behalf of the Jackson Park Community Association, welcome to the 27th annual tree lighting ceremony. Just outstanding. Wonderful tradition. Just so you know that after the singing, after the tree is lit, the wonderful sponsorship of North Shore Bank, that's right, they are great people. They are inviting all of us to go over for refreshments. So after the singing, after the tree lighting, please feel free to go to North Shore Bank and enjoy the refreshments.
I know you will.
We've
got this special guest who came. He works a lot this time of the year. So boys and girls, he made a special trip to come here. Santa Claus from the North Pole has joined us as well. Thank you for coming down from the North Pole, Santa Claus. We know you got a busy couple of weeks coming ahead of you. Just ignore that 40-hour work week. Just keep working, keep working, keep working. And I want to thank the whole Jackson Park neighborhood, the Community Neighborhood Association for once again sponsoring this. Now, as 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hanukkah!
Yay!
we got a Christmas tree. Thank you, boys and girls. Let's give the boys and girls a round of applause.
Yay!
Across the street there, North Shore.
We are sitting here waiting for the Canadian Pacific holiday train to come through, and we have like perfect view, perfect seats. We're like right on the tracks. You can see
Look at above.
the train's gonna be coming from that way,
Look at above you.
and it's gonna be going that way. So we pretty much have a perfect view right now of the train. So we're just waiting. It should be coming through within the next 10-15 minutes. Yeah, so that's what we're waiting for.
Lights down there, it's coming.
Oh, yep, one of the things. This is gonna go down. I would watch out.
Yeah, this thing's
That
gonna
thing's
go down.
gonna go
It's gonna
down.
hit 'em.
You're welcome. I was standing next to it before, and I was like, "Whoa, let me move."
Here it comes. Oh, I can see it.
Here it comes. Huh? It's coming. I see the light. Dude. Uh-oh, here it comes, see? We are just driving around looking at Christmas lights. We are kid free tonight, so we're gonna go out and eat and just kind of driving around taking a look at stuff. We have this thing here called Candy Cane Lane, which would be cool to take you guys to go see, but we'll wait till next week when we have the kids with us. And then we'll take you guys there because we're actually going to be taking Craig's grandma with us. So, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of Christmas lights. Nothing major. We stopped here at, what is this, Melrose to eat dinner. It's a really good place. Kind of like a family.
It's just family restaurant.
Family restaurant, yeah. So our dinner's already here though. So I got the steak and shrimp special, the baked potato, and Craig got fish fry, and then we had chicken dumpling soup. Yeah. So I'm gonna go eat. I'll be back. Good evening, everyone, and happy Friday. So today basically was a normal Friday. We got to see Maddie play, and she did her flute for a tree lighting ceremony for a park near our house. So that was enjoyable. We got to see the mayor of the city. Anyway, and then we watched the holiday train come in. We didn't go to the bigger area where all the festivities were. We just went to a smaller area and kind of watched it pass through. I didn't want to have to fight all the traffic and stuff, and the kids were getting ready to go by their dads for the night, so I just wanted to see the train with them and see them off so I could have a peaceful night with no kids. Finally, it was a good break, although I miss them. I love them so much, but it's a good break to have once in a while. I'd like to thank Wesley for the Christmas card. That was very awesome. Thank you so much for sending it. I greatly appreciate it, and you will be getting a Christmas card back from us. And that's about it. I hope everybody had a great Friday, and I hope everybody has a great weekend ahead. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button, and please share my videos with everybody. Have a great night. I love and appreciate all of you bonbons. See you later.
Jingle bells.